Alright, well, yeah, I've been gone for a minute. I had to quit doing the other thing because of some things I'm still yet afraid to mention. But I was going to show you, I'm a carpenter, I've been carpenter for many years. I was going to start just leaning over to that. Maybe I won't get so much trouble with that. But I was going to give you a perfect example to make sure that your wood is absolutely dry. Now, to touch, it was dry. To the meter, it showed that it was at 10, but yeah, it wasn't. Because as I am playing it down, I had my planer on it. I started hearing like the hollow sound, something you don't want to hear. These two are in perfect good shape. They're all right. I just got to run them through the planer a few more times. I'm done with block plane. I run it through the planer a couple of times. We got to do a couple more times. It looks like it's going to be a couple more days for this piece now, though, because it was still yet had moisture. My reader, it showed 10, 910, 910. So I assumed it was in good shape. I mean, 10 is usually pretty decent, but we have had a lot of rain. I've had the humidifier, dehumidifier, running for some time out here, but I don't know. I didn't have it on yesterday. I kicked it off and I forgot to come out here and turn it on, so the glue didn't dry. So now I gotta wait for the glue to dry. I don't know. I might turn that daggone heater back on and let it suck some of that moisture out of there. I gotta get out of this garage, even though, I kill and dry them and all that. This is the first time I've had this issue, but it was really hot on my last one. It was still really hot outside, and I ran that dehumidifier a lot, and it's just sucks. It really does suck. But if you all are interested in watching some of my woodworking videos, and I give you some show you, stuff I do. I've been a carpenter for 40 years, so I've been playing with wood for a long time. I love wood. I'm a man. So yeah, I figure I'll try that out. Maybe I'll just run that YouTube deal, man. Well, maybe every now and then, everything straightens up, might be able to go back to the gun situation. Speaking of that gun, I did get it done. It turned out really nice. So I don't have it no more. It's gone. I still have pictures and stuff of it, but I redid it, and yeah, I might be able to share them pictures, maybe a couple videos if I can find them. For me completing it and everything. I've done a few since then, but you gotta watch what you say, so what you do. But with wood, I don't think we'll be have any issues there. I don't think they're gonna shut any bank accounts down for doing some woodworking. Yeah, I would definitely. I'm gonna finish. I'll go ahead and record finishing these cutting boards up, and I got a few other things I'm gonna do. I got a bench I'm gonna start doing. For me, I'm gonna finally do my Rubo bench, but I'm gonna put a massive twist on it. A lot of people are gonna be like, "Oh, that's so stupid," but you know what? It's my Rubo bench, and it's how I want it to be done. So I think there'll be some of you out there be like, "Oh man, that is sweet." But yeah, I gotta get a little twist. It's gonna go on my Rubo bench, my type of workbench that I want to have for my carpentry, my woodworking. It's not gonna be like everybody else's. It's gonna be mine. And I think that's how we should all do our own carpentry. That's what sets us all apart. That's why some clients, pick certain people because of the way that the carpenter or fabricator does the work. That's how they prefer it. No matter what everybody else says, this went down to you're drunk and you're trash and It's just nothing but junk and trash and trash and junk and then you got another client that swears up and down you're the best that they ever are. Just you doing it the way they like it done. Just be good to good people, you know. Try to be good to people. Sometimes it is hard to do. I don't know that for sure. But yeah, definitely. I wish I would have made sure my dehumidifier was on. And I don't know, for a couple of months, I'm probably going to have to move all this in and start doing it on the inside, so that way I can't be having this. I've been waiting for 2 days. That glue should have been dry. That's why I know it had moisture. The glue wasn't even dry. Um, some of it was still yet gummed up. Some of you guys, you can see it's still yet white. It's just not completely done yet. I'll finish scraping the rest off. I mean, I've got 99% of it, but I'll finish the rest off when it dries up a little bit more. It's a little too tacky for my chisel and stuff. They're too sharp. And I'll let it get a little hardened up a little bit so I can peel it off. Yeah, I can't. I hope my board don't shrink too daggone much now, man. That's gonna suck. This just sucks. Hopefully it expanded, because I was supposed to have this done. I promised my brother I would have this done by now. I was supposed to be giving it to him tonight. I was supposed to give it to him last weekend, but I had issues. So this has been going on for over 2 weeks, and I am just now to this. It should already been. It should have been polished, and like I said, I should have been at his house tonight. I shouldn't be here doing this, but I'll let the dehumidifier run tonight. Suck the moisture out of here. It's actually pretty well closed up, this garage is. It just don't take long if you keep the dehumidifier off for a little bit. I'm sure some of y'all been down that road. I live in a tight valley, so what the hell is that noise? God. The chickens must be hitting the wall. But yeah, just to let y'all know I'm back. We'll do some woodworking stuff. If anybody's interested in some woodwork, man, I really am a good carpenter. I can't move like I used to, anything like that. I got hurt, you know. I got hurt. That really screwed me. So it takes me forever now, and I can't hardly do much. Can't hardly pick anything up. But I manage, you know. So we definitely won't be doing no lives or anything like that. Or I'll have to probably speed up a lot of my videos. As it'll just, you'll get bored. You'll get really bored. You'll be bored. You'll be pulling your hair out. I'm sure I will not be getting very many views if I did, you know, end live deal or whatever, recording, because I can't work like I used to. I used to be really fast, but well, not anymore. That's all gone. I tell you what, you got a good body, take care of it. I mean, take care of your body if you got a good body. Because if you got a bad body, you know as well as I do, if you got a bad body, then you just live every day to try to keep it afloat. But I'm out, man. I'll start releasing some videos. Maybe I can recoup some of the people that are actually watching me. Maybe we could build a few guns together again. That'd be cool. Alright, out of here, man.